Hey, this is Carl Anderson, General Manager at MarineMax Charleston, and today I'm really excited to take you through a brand new model from Scout Boats. This is their 261 XSS. We'll start here in the cockpit. We've got triple wide seating all along the back with nice high backrests, cup holders for everybody on board, and these backrests do fold down really easily if you want to create this to be more of a casting deck area. We've got drains in the floor, JL audio speakers throughout, raw water washdown on the back side of the leaning post, battery charger connection, access to batteries beneath this hatch. Back side of the leaning post, we have a Cayenne countertop with cup holders and rod holders, stainless steel grab rails, and a really deep Livewell with a blue interior and a clear see-through lid and window. Undergunnel rod storage on both sides. Also great for deck brush. We have this boat powered with a V10 5.7 liter 400 horsepower Mercury Verado in the matching Scout white cream color, along with a white power pole. We have twin swim platforms off the back with a reboarding ladder to the starboard side, along with a stainless steel grab handle and SeaDek matting for some extra padding as you're coming in and better traction. Panning up to the underside of the hardtop, we have rocket launcher style rod holders, more JL audio speakers, LED spreader lights aft. We have some instrumentation up here as well, our Mercury vessel view display, Garmin VHF, and then some switching for our lights overhead. Coming further forward to the helm, we've got twin touchscreens from Garmin, dual induction style phone chargers, Fusion stereo head unit, zip wakes, control for the power pole, digital throttle and shift with that Mercury binnacle, along with active trim and a digital start and stop, or a push start and stop right here. We've got controls for our jack plate on board, stainless steel steering wheels on a tilt base with a steering knob. Love the leaning post on this boat. We've got armrests that come down, bolsters that work independently of each other, so whether you're in a standing position or you're in a seated position, it's a very comfortable boat to operate at the helm or just sit here and ride along. You've got great visibility through that full glass windshield. We'll come around here port side and head straight to the bow. Huge sun lounge area on this boat, tons of seating. You've got the chase lounge forward here, really comfortable seat with armrests that come down on both sides. Two adults can sit here comfortably. Got a tremendous amount of storage. So really deep, drained dive ladder stores here. This is an insulated lid, so that'll keep some ice. These backrests easily remove if you want to open up this space. All these cushions come out as well, as does this whole filler cushion slash casting platform. We have storage beneath. These cushions are also really easy to remove. They're magnetized, so no snaps to maintain. They just magnet right to the lid. Pretty slick. You have a little recessed area, cup holder, charging port, another Cayenne surface here, another JL audio speaker. Drop this guy back in place, and now we're back in cruising mode. So, ton of lounge space. Someone who's well over 6 feet tall can easily and comfortably stretch out. With this filler in place, you've got a huge sunbed area if you want to lay out and catch some sun. This is the Cayenne colored upholstery package. Looks great with this midnight blue full hull color on the exterior. We have rod holder, cup holder receivers up in the foredeck. So this boat is ready for a bow shade kit in addition to holding a rod and a cup. We've got our anchor locker here, along with a receptacle for our trolling motor plug-in. Recessed cleats. Good walking space up here if you want to do some casting, or you just need to stand up here to maneuver around if you're approaching a dock or a beach or a sandbar. And now we'll check out the head area. So inside the head on the 261 XSS, we've got a synthetic floor, so it dresses the area up really nice. This space is also drained. Great for storage, a lot of headroom. You have a porcelain toilet that is off to the corner there. So it gives you a little more space in the floor area, but you can see you got a good amount of overhead space. You got an overhead light here. This is also where your battery switches are located. Key ignition is here as well. If you want to get to the back side of the leaning post for any type of switches, battery boxes, all your electronics easily accessed here, and then you've got a stainless steel grab rail to help you exit this space. So a really versatile day boat, whether you're gonna fish it, you're gonna cruise it, your young children need to use the head, you got all the amenities you need on board. So that's a walkthrough of Scout's 261 XSS. Again, I'm Carl Anderson, General Manager at MarineMax Charleston. If you have any questions or interest in this boat or any of our others, 843-747-1889, and always check us out online at marinemax.com. Thanks for watching.